What's going on, guys? How many times did this happen to you? You're in the middle of watching a favorite YouTube clip or watching your favorite television show on Netflix. Unfortunately, you gotta go pick up your kids from school or stop by the grocery store to grab your online order, but you don't want to miss a second of the action. Well, now with AutoSky Lite, you can always catch up with YouTube and Netflix. It's simple to install. Plug it on in. Make sure you also hit AutoSky on Bluetooth. Give it a few seconds. It'll take a minute to warm up. And just like that, now you have CarPlay. But I told you, you want to catch up with YouTube. You want to catch up with Netflix. It's very simple. Turn off your Bluetooth. Make sure your hotspot is turned on. Then go to the settings feature. Make sure to hit the car button. Go to settings. Make sure you turn on Wi-Fi. Find your hotspot. Make sure you go back to home. And now you can catch up with every single YouTube clip that you want to watch. Or if you want to catch up with your favorite Netflix show, we got you covered there too.